Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the best PDF editors out there, Lite PDF Editor. If you're looking for an easy way to edit your PDF files and fully customize them, then this tool is perfect for you. With Lite PDF Editor, you can easily add watermarks, insert signatures, highlight text, edit existing content, and so much more. All with just a few clicks. The download link is available in the description below. Just click on it, download the software, and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch the program. As soon as it opens, you'll see the dashboard. It looks clean and easy to use. On the top, you'll notice several options including Open, Create, Edit, Chat PDF, PDF to Word, Convert to PDF, and OCR, Optical Character Recognition. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Tools section, which includes AI Tools, Convert PDF Tools, Edit PDF Tools, and Protect and Optimize Tools. To get started, click on the Open button and upload your PDF file. Once it's loaded, you'll see a full range of features like Read, Comment, Edit, Form, Page, Protect, Convert, and many more. Let's go through these features step by step. In the Read tab, you can adjust the page view size. You can increase it, reduce it, or reset it to the actual size for the best reading experience. You can also switch between different view modes like single-page view, one-page scroll view, two-page view, double-page scroll view, and others. There's also a background feature where you can customize the background of your PDF. Choose from Default, Paper, Soft, Dark, and more. Now let's move to the comment section. Here's where you can annotate your PDFs. You have multiple tools. Highlight, just select any text and highlight it. You can also change the highlight color to your favorite. Yellow, green, blue, anything. Strike through. Mark any part of the text that's no longer needed. Customize the color too. Underline. Emphasize important lines by underlining them with the color of your choice. Text annotation. Want to add your own notes? Click on the text annotation tool and type directly onto your PDF. You can also add stamps to your PDF. Choose from built-in options like Complete, Approved, Final, Rejected, and more. If you want, you can even create a custom stamp by clicking on the plus icon. Type your custom message, add it to your PDF, and adjust its position however you like. Next, we have the Edit button. This is where you can make full edits to your PDF content. Here, you can easily edit any paragraph or line in your PDF. I'll go with paragraph mode and select the paragraph I want to change. For example, if I see the text, NASA's Apollo 11 mission, and want to change it, I'll simply delete that part and write spacecraft instead. That's it. You've now updated your PDF content in seconds. But that's not all. You can fully customize the text. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, change font, size, and color. This gives you complete control over how your content looks. Next, we have the Edit Object feature. You can insert images. If you want to add an image to your PDF, click the Image option, select your image file, and place it wherever you want in the document. You can adjust its size, move it around, and fit it exactly how you like. You can also add links to any part of your PDF, add a watermark for branding or security. Click on Watermark, type your text, e.g., watermark, and then customize it. Change the font, adjust the size, rotate the text. Once you're done, hit the Save button, and your watermark will be added directly to the PDF. It's that simple. Here's my PDF with the watermark, and as you can see, using litepdf.com, it's incredibly easy to add and customize watermarks. Page Tools. Now, let's check out the page view options. You can view all the pages, rearrange them, merge multiple PDF files, split a PDF into separate files, extract specific pages. For example, if I want to merge two PDFs, I'll upload the main file, Click Merge. The software will start processing, and within seconds, the files will be combined. And here's the result. Quick and seamless. You can also protect feature. Finally, let's talk about security. Lite PDF Editor also allows you to protect your PDFs. Click on the Protect tab and then hit the Password option. You can set an open password, set a permission password, define allowed actions like printing or editing. Once you're done, click Save and your PDF will be encrypted and secure. If you choose the handwritten signature option, you'll get 3 ways to create it. Draw your signature manually, import a signature image file, type your signature, and choose a style. In this case, I'll draw my signature. Once done, now I can place the signature anywhere on my PDF and adjust its size as needed. It's super simple. Next, we have the Convert button. With this, you can convert your PDF into multiple formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PPT, and more. For example, if I want to convert my PDF into a Word document, I'll just click on Word, then hit the Convert button. In a few seconds, your PDF will be converted into an editable Word file. Just like that. Moving on to the PDF Tools section. Here, you'll find advanced tools like PDF to Curve, Double Layer PDF, and most importantly, the OCR Optical Character Recognition feature. OCR is a powerful tool that lets you convert scanned PDFs into editable and searchable text. To use it, click on the OCR button, select your desired language and settings, hit OK, and it will start processing. A new tab will open, and now your scanned PDF will become fully editable. This is perfect for working with old documents or scanned pages. Finally, let's explore the AI Tools section. One of the most exciting features. With the AI tools, you can chat with your PDF, summarize your document, create a mind map, perform advanced AI analysis. Click on the Chat PDF button and upload your document. The AI will analyze it and allow you to ask questions, get summaries, or even extract key points. And it will respond instantly. If you want to create a mind map from your PDF, simply click on the Create Mind Map button. The tool will automatically generate a visual map of your content, great for studying or brainstorming. Here we have some AI tools such as the AI PDF Generator, Image Watermark Remover, or PDF Watermark Remover. Let's try Watermark Remover. Click on it and then hit the Remove button. It will take some time. That's it. Here you can see our watermark is removed. So that wraps up all the powerful features in Lite PDF Editor, from editing and customizing to AI and OCR tools. It's simple, smart, and packed with everything you need to handle PDF documents like a pro. The download link is available in the video description. Make sure to check it out and try it for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. And I'll see you in the next one.